Alright guys, as I do from time to time, I was looking at the Ford website here, and you know, Ford Ranger, there's supposed to be a brand new one coming out, and what should to the wondering eye behold but come down to future vehicles and the new Ford Ranger. Build and price. I guess what we're going to do today. Let's go have fun. Alrighty guys, today we are back hunting cars online, and we've got the new Ford Ranger, the XL, XLT, Lariat, and the Raptor. So we're going to check out this truck and see what we got going on. We'll just leave it at the 4x2. I'm not going to switch that up too much. Let's go ahead and start our build on the XL. So right off the bat, new styling on it really does make the truck a little bit more Maverickish. Do like that very much, and you see there the interior of the powertrain. That's pretty cool to see. Got the 2.3 EcoBoost. Let's see if we got the horsepower. No, we do not, so we'll skip on from that. Let's look at the colors here. We got ourselves Oxford White, we got the Shadow Black, Iconic Silver Metallic. I'm not sure if this is Hot Pepper Red Metallic Tinted Clear Coat. That's a mouthful. Hot pepper though, that's interesting. Carbonized gray, we get the Velocity blue, and the cactus. A cacti. I do like the cacti. It needs a little bit more green though in my opinion, but it looks really good. Let's see, so we got a starting price here. This is the per month. I'm not seeing a... Let's see, there's a summary. $34,000, so it's all the way at the bottom. So, let's see here. If we add the 4x4 option... That's going to add $3,000 to our total, so that's going to put you up $70 a month basically. Let's see, independent front suspension, electronic locking rear axle, so that's for those who need it. That's a nice option to have. $420. We'll go ahead and just add that because we want to see how much we can spec this thing out, and that took away our independent front rear suspension. Oh well. STX appearance package is what we got right off the bat. We also got the trailer package that we can add on for $495. Nice. We got the silver painted aluminum wheels. We got splash guards. Yes, please. Why we keep going to some other window, I'm not sure. The pickup box extender. Bedliner tough bed drop-in. Bedliner tough bed spray-in. Let's just do the spray-in option there. That's gonna add us some paint protection package, cargo management rails. Let's see, what does that do? I think I remember what that does. We'll take that off. Side window deflector, low profile. Yes, please. Those are nice to have. Door sill plates, black platinum. Sure, might as well add those on there. Running boards. Yes. Yep, thank you very much. Like those. Spare tire lock. Pickup box cover. That's going to put you $600. Engine block heater, secure code, wheel lock kit. Not a whole lot else, and then we get to the summary. That's going to put you at about $40,000, $360. Not too bad, decent looking truck. So that's that particular model. That's the XL. So let's go to the XLT. So already we got some different styling on here. It looks a lot nicer in my opinion. We got the Shadow Black, which honestly that looks like a very mean truck. Oxford White, the Hot Pepper, the Carbonized Gray, the Blue, the Cacti, and we also got the Azure Gray Metallic Tricoat. Not too bad, I like it. Honestly, I almost kind of want to go all black. I mean that just looks mean. It really does. Of course, that's about a $3,000 option for the 4x4 option. Electronically locking rear axle. You can get that. So there we go. Let's see, XLT Standard Equipment Group. So that gets you the Co-Pilot 360, Sport Appearance Package, Manual Sliding Rear Window, 400 watts of in-cab and in-bed power, wireless charging pad, power folding side view mirrors, LED tail lamps, fog lamps, and bed lighting, etc. The High Package gets you a 10-way power driver's seat, 8-way power front passenger seats, heated front seats, power sliding. Okay, so I mean, you sold me on the seats. Not the heated seats, but just the adjustable seats. I mean, that's nice. That's nice to have. So that's a $1,400 package once everything's said and done. Okay, it's worth the money to be able to have lumbar support. Believe me, you want it. You need it. It's really good, and it helps you not have to go to the chiropractor quite as often. It really does. Alright, technology package. What does that have? Adaptive cruise control, front parking sensors, enhanced active parking assist, connected built-in navigation. We can skip that. Advanced towing package, trailer tow package, trailer brake controller, and pro trailer backup assist. So that'd be helpful if you need that. That's going to be what did it say? $825. It looks like it says $625 here. It's not very well put together. The numbers kind of all stick together. It doesn't look good. Advanced towing package plus technology package. That's going to be a $2,300. Ouchie. That's very so. And the FX4 off-road package only on the 4x4. Take my money, please. Yes. That's going to be a $4,200 bank deposit. Ouch. That's pretty sore, actually. That's a lot of money for the FX4, but it looks pretty good too. So we will go with that. Nice. Okie dokie. Chrome appearance package. That's also an option as well. So you get just the chrome bumper, chrome wheels. It looks like. So that's nice. Wheel options. You can also get the 17 painted and the 17. 18. So 18s get you the chrome appearance package. So let's take a look at that for just a second here. Can we move you? No, we can't. Okay, we'll switch this for just a second. So you get the chrome appearance package. It looks pretty decent on there. Look at that, FX4 and everything. So these are 18s. Then of course just switch back to the beautiful blackout. And I mean that's just a beautiful truck. Nice. Alright, go ahead and add ourselves some splash guards. Spray and bed liner, sure. The side view, the side mirror thingamahoogies. Those are nice. Door sills, absolutely. Let's see. Running boards, yes please. You can also get those in chrome, by the way, which, yeah, we don't need to do with this. Spare tire lock. Alright, that looks good. Ooh, colors. Hello for interior. Black or sandstone. Let's take a look at the inside. Hello. Okay, now that, I don't know. I like that for whatever reason. So all blackout truck or an all dark colored truck like dark blue, dark green, something like that. And then when you open the door, it's this beautiful light colored brown or tan. I don't know. I don't know. I like it. I like it. I don't know why I like it, but I like it a lot. And that just looks really, really good. Now, what are these? These are premium cloth seats. I don't know. I just like that color combo quite a lot, from the exterior to the interior. Just, I don't know, I like it. I like that quite a bit. So I've been spoiled by the Ram trucks for whatever reason. Been spoiled quite a lot there. And so with all of that, you're going to be at about go ahead and say $46,000. Plus also if you're on the 60-month thing, that's going to be $802. So a little bit on the pricey side there. That's quite a bit on the pricey side. So basically, you could buy yourself 2 Ford Mavericks for that price. So think about that. That's that one. But also, of course, you have to pay the insurance on 2 Ford Mavericks. So yeah, I'll leave that up to you. Anyways, but that's a nice looking truck. I like the new restyling. It looks good. So that was the XLT. Let's look at the Lariat here. So nothing new on the colors. About the same styling wise. We got some new wheel options. Let's try out the blue there. The what is this? This is the Azure Gray Metallic. Basically, it's like a grey blue is basically what it's trying to be. We'll go with the 4x2, get the electronic, we'll skip that for the moment. So advanced package, advanced towing package, FX4 package, go ahead and get that on there, because we can. So that goes ahead and enables 4x4s, so let's put us up to $907 a month, owie! So here we go with the wheel options. This is an 18 machined aluminum with magnetic pockets. And then we go to the chrome, for a second there, chrome package. I'm not digging that chrome. I'm sorry. I'm just not digging it. The body color, this switching to the body color, that's pretty cool, but I'm just not digging that look. I'm not digging that at all. Yeah, that looks much better there. Okay. Splash guards, go ahead and put that on there because I really do like my splash guards on my trucks. Side view window deflectors, door sills, my running boards in black. Love my running boards. Let's see, spare tire lock. Let's see, ooh, we get the leather trim seats once again. So we get the leather and the sandstone, or we get the ebony. So let's go with the sandstone here, and we're going to switch the color on the outside of the truck to there we go. We'll go with that. That'll work out good. Alrighty, let's see here. So there we go. Leather trim seats. We got the dual zone electronic climate control, and definitely a need for down here in Florida. And that is $51,000, 540. Owie! That's a beautiful looking truck once again. I mean that's a really good looking truck. Looks good on the inside and exterior. Yeah, that's a good looking truck. Like it. Okie dokie. Now for the moment of truth, the Raptor version. So let's take a look here. So right off the bat, we got the Raptor styling on it. I mean, it looks like a very nice baby Raptor out here. Let's actually look at the engine option if we can here. Yeah, so 3.0-liter EcoBoost. And they don't have any horsepower options for us. Okay, well, that's nice. Alright, so looking at the colors, basically everything's the same. We got the azure, we got the cactus gray. Oh, cactus gray, so not just cactus. That's interesting. Okay. Velocity blue, carbonized, hot red pepper, shelter green metallic, iconic silver, Oxford white, and the black. I'm digging that green. That green is really good. Full-time all-wheel drive. We got the engine sitting up there looking nice and happy. We got the two different wheel options. We got 17 gray painted aluminum wheels. And then we got the 17 gray painted beadlock capable wheels. Hey, I need a better view on these wheels. There we go. That's a better view. Ooh. I like it, I like it, I like it. So all black definitely has to go on this green. Switching it up to those, though. Let's see here. That looks decent, but I think all black would look better with that. Let's see here. That looks good. So if you go with the cactus gray, and you do the little beadlock with the trim there, that looks really good. But yeah, if we're going just with the green, though, I mean, it looks good, but you gotta go with the all black, dark gray, whatever they want to call it, wheel there. You gotta go with that, because that looks much better there. That's a mean looking truck. I like it. Go ahead and get our splash guards. We're gonna get our Raptor decals. Ooh, Raptor decals. Yes, looks good. Bed liner, go ahead and get our spray in there. We're going to go ahead and get everything else is there. We got the seats. What do the seats look like? So we got leather seats on the inside. Keep you nice and in the seats. Ooh, the interior looks good with the red highlights. Yeah, now see, that looks good. So you go from that on the outside, and then you go in, and then there's this pop of red. That looks really cool. I like that very, very much. Dual zone climate control, definitely have to have that as always. And that's going to put you out, not too bad actually, $58,000. That's better than I was thinking. I was thinking we were going to see firm 60s, but $58,000, that's not too bad. I like that truck. So let's see, let's go up. Just going back up. Let's go back to Cactus Gray here. So there we go. Looking at the side view with the graphic. So yeah, so with the graphic, then switch the wheels. Ooh. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Yep, that's pretty cool. That is a good looking Ford Raptor Ranger. Nice, I like it. I definitely like the green though with the blackout. I think that's just the best of both worlds. And honestly, let's go ahead and take, so that's a $750 option for the decal, so let's take that off. That looks pretty good too. So just nice, plain, nothing over extravagant with the decal. That's a mean looking truck. I like it very, very much. So that's going to put you at $1,000 plus. So go ahead and say it's $1,050 every 60 months there. So it's going to put you out pretty good there. But that is a good looking truck. So I can't wait to see these on the road though. That's going to be fun. I really do want to see these out and about. Hopefully you can see it at a car show here as well, but that looks really good. So nice. Honestly, it seems like, let's see, which one? So we had the Lariat. That one definitely looked good. Honestly, I think the XLT is probably your best bet because just styling wise it looks good, but you can also have the option to I think you had the option to switch it up to the chrome appearance package here, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so you can switch it up to get the chrome onto your truck there. And I think this is probably your best option is the XLT, just with how it looks. So obviously you can get the blackout, but also you can get that chrome on there as well, and it looks pretty good. Also, I'm kind of missing the Ranger Orange, that nice orange color that made the Rangers kind of iconic. They don't really have that as an option, so that's kind of a bummer not to have that, but still, good looking truck. I like it. And it's definitely nice that they finally got a nice refresh done, because it actually looks like a truck now, which is nice. Alrighty guys, so that is it on the Ford Ranger. Definitely really cool to actually be able to take a look at that. I didn't expect to be able to do that, so that is really, really cool. But I mean, it's a great looking truck, so definitely like that a lot. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.